Okay, on this one, they want you to add the code that will give the word snowy, which is here, the same winter blue as the other words. So here's snowy, right? And here's what it is, the class equals winter. So we're just going to copy that. And here's snowy on line 15. You can see it there, Control V. And something's wrong. Okay, the H5 is closed. So we have to open it up, give it space. Close it up here. And now it matches, right? It all matches the other ones. And we can see in our style CSS, there's the winter colors. Right? Cool. Alright, read this, please. Read this. And look, fancy. And on to the next one. Okay, so on this one, they want you to find the CSS rule that makes gives the winter words their style. Right, these are the winter words. Here's the CSS. And here's the winter style. Right? So they want us to change the font. So to do that, we need to find the font family. So we're going to go to documentation. Let's look up CSS properties and font family. Okay, here's the syntax, the code. So I'm just going to copy that font family, right? And then we're going to go back to our code, and this is the winter. So I'm going to Control V here, right? So I'm adding font family. Now I have to give it a value. Right, we can choose any, just hit a letter, right? Fantasy, inherit, cursive, monospace. Let's do fantasy. Let's do serif, sans serif. Okay, and you see right here it just changed. So that's all you have to do for that. Not a big deal. Alright, now that your winter class is ready, you're going to do other seasons. Okay, so we look at our CSS, right, and here's winter, here's spring. So let's just go ahead and copy the winter code. Copy it, and then paste it right here. Clean up our code. Okay, here's spring. And if we look back to my web page, you can see spring was 195, 255, 189. I'm just going to copy that. Paste it here. Right, it's not working yet, right? So let's go to our code for spring. Index. Alright, so we have to add this text because look, we don't have it here, right? The class winter. We just got to make it spring. So let's go ahead and copy. Copy on the H5 of spring, because that's where we are right here, right? We want to be messing with these ones. H5, hit a space. And instead of winter, we want spring. Why that's not working, I don't know. Let's look at our style again. It should all be working nicely. Let's see, refresh and save. What am I missing? Matches. Matches. That one looks nice. That one looks good. Okay, let's check our index. Okay, so we've got this working, but this spring is not working. So I go to my style sheet, and I see what I made a mistake here, right? After I closed this off, I closed everything off with this. So that's got to go, right? So I get rid of that, and bingo, now it's working, right? So my final closing one is here, not here. So now let's go to my index. We have the spring set, right? So now let's go to my index, and we can just start copying and pasting. So when I put this one in here, this should change. Cool. And again here, here, right here. There we go. And we're good. On to the next one. Okay, so now on this one we're just going to do summer. Right, so we're just going to, again, copy this. Alright, so we have our style. We've got winter, spring. Now let's get summer. Copy. Paste. And now we're going to name it summer. In summer. And then let's find our colors. Summer. Copy them. Paste them. Fix the spacing issue. Right? Okay, it's not there yet. So now we go to our HTML. Here's summer. So now we're just going to copy, Control C, and then in here we're going to Control V, change it from spring, right, because it's trying to use the spring color. Change it to summer, and then we have the summer. Alright, we've got that one, so now let's just go ahead and copy them all and add them to summer. V. Control right, Control V, and now that's done. Control V, Control V, Control V, and summer's done. Cool. Alright, on this one, you are going to change the styling on your website. This is on your own. Get it done. You can do it.